Here I am going to share working promo code for Pictory.ai you can use right now and get amazing discount on that. So simply watch this video till end and you will get amazing discount in your Pictory account. So if you're from any country, for example UK, US or anywhere else, you can use this code. And let me tell you one more thing, you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. And if you want more promo code, simply go to YouTube and search Pictory promo code /coupon box and you are able to find my videos which I created in my past. So here is a 2 working code for Pictory.ai you can use right now and get amazing discount in your Pictory cart. So this is first where you will get 20% discount on your subscription by using this code. This is second where you will get 20% off and 2 month free by using this code. So these two codes are still working right now and it take a lot of time to find this working promo code. So please appreciate my work by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. And if you want more code like this, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching.